Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Snapchat Pixel on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify admin page and then click on the themes button. After that, click on the three dots button and now a drop down will appear. Select the edit code option. Now on the code editor, search for theme.liquid and now open new window. On a new window, open Snapchat Ad Manager. After that, click on create ads and now click on Snap Pixel button. After that, click on Manage Pixel button, which is on the right corner. Now click on the Setup Pixel button. Here are the codes. Copy the entire code and paste it under header section of the theme.liquid tab on your Shopify store. And then click on the Save button. Now search for product.liquid. Under script section, copy the entire same code, but replace the page view with view content. Replace the page view word with view content. And now click on the Save button. Now search cart.liquid and paste the same code. Now go to your Snapchat Ads Manager page and click Add to Cart button. Now copy Add Cart and paste on the code and save. Then go to the Settings button and click on the Checkout button. After that, scroll down in Additional Code and replace page view. Replace the word page view with purchase and click on the Save button. Now open the website, click on the top Snapchat extension, and here you see the Snap Pixel. So that's how you will install Snapchat Pixel to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.